Oh no worries. Yeah. If you want. But it's no worries. I've been playing Family for like 2 weeks, so I'm just now getting back onto Victim. Family helped me learn the map a lot better though, because you can see the whole map and everything. Hiker. Nice. Yeah, I'll play Leatherface. Like, I spec'd into him just to play him in case nobody wants to play him, because I'm not one of those people that's, like, scared to play Leatherface, you know? But I am a terrible Leatherface, also. Yeah, me too. Oh, yeah, he does that. What up, dude? I'm just getting my second lockpick. I always get two. Yeah, I have points into Connie too, but Connie's, like, if you're not already on her, somebody's always going to be a Connie. And Julie seems not to be the most popular, but she's pretty good. And then Sonny, shit, he's over here on me. Or close to me. I don't know. Alright, cool. Somebody just made it out. Good. Connie just made it out. I'm trying to find an exit. I'm over here. Shit. Sissy's already down here. That ain't good. Oh, that's you, Julie. Alright, I'm gonna go try to get out of here somehow. Right this way, guys. Oh shit, Leatherface.
I'm shot.
I don't know. Haha! I'm dead. I just jumped out the front window, guys. I'm fudged. Yep, I'm effed in the A, guys. I'm about to get chainsawed. I'm dying. Oh, he's carrying me. Hey, he's carrying me down to the gallows, guys, so y'all got some time. At least Leatherface will be occupied. This has never happened to me before, so this is a little weird for me. Yeah, he can carry you and put you on the gallows in the basement. Or, I don't know where the gallows are. I guess maybe they show... Oh, there's one in the kitchen. Yeah, he's hanging me up right now. I'm fucked. Damn. Now he's cutting me in half. I don't know why I'm spectating and commentating on this. This is not good for me. Oh, the cook has been watching it this whole time, guys. They've been on me this whole time, so... Damn. R.I.P. to your boy, Sonny.